So today we have the first Lights On event in Mendota Unified School District. It's a national celebration of keeping the lights on during the after-school hours and providing that safe environment for students to be every day after school. It's so important for the community of Mendota to come out and celebrate all of the hard work that goes into the Expanded Learning Program and all the staff that are there every single day. Some of our staff are working 8 hours during the school day and they come and work 4 or 5 more hours in after school to provide that safe space for all of the students in Mendota. So to come out and celebrate as a community and bring everyone together to support what's going on in our schools, it's so vital.
It's very important that our community, our parents, our students know of the many resources that our school district offers, because it's not only about providing after-school programs for our students, but also introducing them to our community partners, the different vendors that are out there, and different resources. Ultimately, what we want our community members to know, whether they're students or parents, is that there are various services available for them. So if they ever need assistance in basically any capacity, that we have vendors that we can connect them to and that they can provide those services for them. I would like our community to know, our students, our parents, and guardians to know that we're all in this together, our staff members, whatever the need is, that we are here for them.
One of the things that I really want our parents to know is that the programs that we have here after school are here to add enrichment and to also provide a place for our students to be able to get some help with tutoring and also for them to have fun. In a community like Mendota, sometimes there isn't anywhere to go. The community is saying, we need this program.
La razón que siento que es una importancia de tener estos eventos es que nuestros estudiantes y nuestros padres vean que el programa les está enseñando diferentes cosas a sus estudiantes y cómo le están brindando el programa clases ya sean de ciencia, de música, de DJ. Así que queremos que ellos disfruten y vean y puedan seguir acompañándonos de aquí en adelante con sus padres y con sus estudiantes para que vean las diferentes cosas que estamos ofreciéndoles a ellos.
I like this program because it helped me a lot with all my children. It helped me a lot with having their homework done.
After school is so much fun for me because they help you with your homework. If you don't know it, they could help you, and I like it because it's fun and because you can make friends. This is the biggest thing we've had so far, and I really like it. It's an honor and thank you.
Los programas después de escuela me han ayudado mucho con mi hijo, porque yo no puedo el inglés. Yo no lo podía ayudar con las tareas y después de escuela sí me lo ayudaron mucho. Por ejemplo, a mi hermana también está batallando mucho con la niña y sí, y la hemos dejado después de escuela y sí está mejorando mucho.
Nobody realizes the importance and the power of expanded learning, right? So here's the deal. After school, expanded learning, that's that spot where the lights are always on. There's always a safe place for kids. And it's a place for kids to discover themselves. It's a place for staff to find their passion for working with kids, and to see the parents come out and support this and be a part of it and champion it. It's just the best thing in the world. Expanded learning is this place for all kids to come, for all kids to fit in, for kids to learn about themselves, to learn about other kids, to learn about their passions, to be challenged academically, to expand their horizons, to learn new things. So parents, community, school district officials, school board members, our elected officials, stand up for after school. Expanded learning and after school matters, and it needs to stay forever. So lights on for after school, you all, and continue to support expanded learning.